Yes. Vaccination is very important. Oh, hello friends. I forgot it's my time to tell you interesting things. I was just lost in books. They're so interesting. Come on and read with me. But today I'm going to tell you about vaccines. Do you know what is a vaccine? Let's tell it to you, wonderful friends. Friends, a vaccine is an injection, a fluid inside the injection. The vaccine goes inside the virus. It destroys the virus that is in the body, or sometimes we can get it before we get the disease. So our body will already be ready. Do you know that a very deadly virus called coronavirus is here? It harms our societies, our city, our country, and our people. That's why the government is trying to save the people by giving them vaccines. So you must be confused. What is a vaccine? What is vaccination? So I'm here to clear your confusion. Look, a vaccine, it's a fluid inside an injection that goes inside our body, and that fluid destroys the virus, or before it infects us, we get it. So when the